Hi, welcome to the 1 minute quick question and answer on epicfamilygrowth.com. This episode's question is: does your stomach growl a lot in early pregnancies? Well, the answer to this question is usually stomach growling isn't something to be worried about, but however, if it starts to the pain increases and you see some bleeding signs, it might be a harm. So get in contact with your doctor as soon as you can. If you want the full answer on this question, check out epicfamilygrowth.com in the link. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.